G-Holy breathe life into these niggas. Man, they'll never understand what it's like to be a real nigga. Only he is him.
It's the guy G-Holy repping G-Holy.com. This is Camarabi, who I've definitely done before. Pause. Dangerous Recipe. If you want to see me react to anything at all, I'm always in the whip and I'm always playing some shh. Let's do it. I don't like my recipes dangerous, but
Camarabi.
I'm in. Let's do it.
They say misery love company. Already got plans. Know I'm late to the spot. Save me the last dance. Got my own problems, homie, but it's all in my hands. Be careful where you shoot arrows, and I'll tell them where it might land. I just want good vibrations, good libations, penthouse patience, fresh off the basement, at a steakhouse in a white tee. We ain't married, but she wifey. I'ma go get her, they type B. Might fly around, let us sightsee. We in the different.
It's interesting because this beat is super airy, but he chose a flow that was like super rapid. So you don't really realize this is like a double time BPM beat because it's so light and airy and, you know what I'm saying, sunshiny. But when you flow on it, you realize, oh yeah, he's supposed to be, you know what I mean? This is double time.
Skip a couple grades, I'm moving double time. I got a couple waves. All they do is take these uses, never gave. Holding under pressure, they ain't never brave. Gambling with destiny. It's a dangerous recipe, but I'm addicted like a potion. Could lose myself inside this ocean. I'm taking risks to get what's meant for me. It's a dangerous recipe, but I'm addicted like a potion. Could lose myself inside this ocean. They can't break my confidence, so they want my sanity. Lambo, land speed, we play chess, they answer. Off the drinks, get handsy. When I'm busy, can't stand me. Little chill chick, call us Annie. Rocket braids like Brandy. She got a new horse.
Remind me of Wale. It remind me of the way Wale would approach this beat. I don't think Wale would do this actual beat, but the way he approaching the beat remind me of Wale. Even some of the stuff he's saying.
Hold up, we young souls won't grow up. Want me to fail, but no such. I got flaws, so what? I'm a better person than I was yesterday. Yeah, I made mistakes and there's some more on the way. All hard raw summer, Mike D and G, my runners. Life ain't nothing but a food chain, don't underestimate hunger. This dumb money, not dumb luck. I'm gold medal, not a runner up. Do it all the way, I got wanderlust. Run it up to my number. Honest with the rubber bands. For this moment, I give everything. And I know I'm messing with a dangerous recipe. I'm just hoping that you understand. I've been gambling with destiny. It's a dangerous recipe, but I'm addicted like a potion. Could lose myself inside this ocean. I'm taking risks to get what's meant for me. It's a dangerous recipe, but I'm addicted like a potion. Could lose myself inside this ocean.
That was cool. I like the outro for sure. I like the you know, it was a dope switch up. The hook versus the contrast to the hook and the actual verse, right? So you got the verse that's like double time, rapid, a lot of thoughts, you know, lot of different wordplay, and you know what I'm saying? Not jumbled, but just a lot. And then you got the hook that's like super slowed down, and it reminds you that once again this beat is just sultry. It's like for me, thinking on the ocean. Right back into the verse. You get what I'm saying? And then the outro is just the icing on the cake. So I mess with this joint, man. Dangerous recipe, man. Camarabi. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think I'm saying it wrong. I think he told me I was saying it wrong last time. But listen, it's Camarabi. Dangerous recipe. Certified. Let's get it. Good joint. Good shit. Good shit, Camarabi. Let's get it.
These godly words that be coming through my quotes got the devil trying to chase me, but the nigga scared to face me. He keep coming through my folks. I always see him in the eyes of these slothful and jealous guys. It's crazy. They do the least, wanna see you and do the most. I'm bound to see levels they didn't. Success is on the horizon. Where the sky and earth meets, I'm the only thing that divides it. Plans that I devised is going high. I describe revealing myself to me. Never knew I wore these disguises. Yeah.